everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a really unusual unboxing and it all came in one box. I ordered 2 mystery boxes from Typo, so if you're interested in seeing what they put all together in the one box, then carry on watching. Typo is an online store, plus they have high street stores as well. I'm not that familiar with Typo. I live West Wales. The nearest big city with lots of shops and everything is Swansea, and then you've got Cardiff. So yeah, I live far away, so I've never heard of it before, in all honesty. But I was searching one day on the internet looking for mystery boxes and Typo came up. So I had a look and noticed there was loads there. Loads and loads of different mystery boxes at affordable prices. You can find Typo on cottonon.com. I'll pop all links and everything to these mystery boxes and the website down below in my description, so if you're interested in taking a look, then you can do so there. There's 18 different mystery boxes. I won't go through them all, but just to give you an example, you've got the self-care mystery box, which costs £15, and it actually says underneath, save £32 off recommended retail value, which I think is really good. You've got the Bored AF mystery box for £25. You've got a Stationery Addicts mystery box for £10. Zero F's Given mystery box for £25. Staying In mystery box for £10. Games and Gadgets for £25. And then it goes on to showing you that the themes are the same, but you can have 6 items or 10 items, etc. I paid around £40, so I'm guessing I went for a self-care £25 box and a Bored AF £15 box. That's what I think I have. I can't find any information in any of my emails, which is really bizarre, and yeah, it doesn't really tell me anything on the invoice here. I was expecting to receive 2 individually wrapped mystery boxes with like nice packaging and everything like that. No, it all came in one. Just to give you an idea, it just all came like that in the box. I didn't have a clue what it was. If you have bought any mystery boxes for yourself or as a friend from Typo or Cotton On before, please let me know your thoughts about it and what you received. But yeah, my feeling is that the mystery boxes are items that are on sale, and they just gather a few of these sale items together to make themed mystery boxes. So it sounds great. Shipping was fine. I think there was free shipping on top. I'll pop the information down below in the description, but this is my first time and this was a couple of weeks ago, so it's not really fresh in my mind. I haven't got a clue how to differentiate between the self-care box and the Bored AF box because everything is all jumbled up, so I'm just going to go through it all one by one, just showing you what they sent me. First up, there's 2 of these. They are different, but I'll just open it up and show you. It's a Care Bear heart pillow. My 10-year-old self would have loved this. But what the heck? What am I going to do with it now? All my kids are teens, so I think I'm going to give this to my dog. It hasn't got any beads or anything in it like that. It's quite dog friendly. Size my head for reference. It's huge, isn't it? Next up, this is pretty cool. It's not really my style, but I know who I'd give this to. Look. It's a burger cushion. They feel really nice and squishy. It feels really nice, and again, it is huge. But look, you've got tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, burgers. I think that's so cool. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to give that to my son as a little Christmas present. This is actually from Typo and it's got the price here. So yeah, £20 this would have cost. So there's that. Next up, we've got something arty. I love that they've got the prices on here so I can tell you. And this would have cost £15. I love the 70s design. That is really, really cool. This is a artist's marker case. Again, not really my sort of thing. Would have been if I was a teenager. I loved art in school. I collected all the pencils, all the rubbers. Yeah, I would have loved that. But I might see if my daughter would like this actually. Saying that, forget about markers. Makeup brush holder. 36 holders for artist markers or makeup brushes. Makeup brushes. I think that is fab. Next, I've got a water bottle. This says Fabulous Bitch. Alright then. It's got Fabulous Bitch in it. It is a nice big one. I don't own one this big. I quite like that. I don't know about the Fabulous Bitch part. It's just a bit weird, isn't it, with her nice pretty flowers. And this retails for £7. Next, we've got a really nice notepad. I do really like this. And this would retail for £8. It's a nice grey colour. Just a plain notepad there, but perfect for my YouTube planning. So yeah, no, I'm chuffed to that. I do really like that. Jigsaw puzzle. This is Naughty by Nature. 1,000-piece puzzle, fun and challenging puzzle for everyone, one-sided, for 8 years and up, and this would cost £12. Now, I hate jigsaw puzzles. I just have not got the attention span to do it. I can't do it. They annoy the heck out of me. I really can't do it. So yeah, never liked them, never will. So I'll be passing that on definitely. But yeah, I know I'm going to sound like an old fart now, but Naughty by Nature. Who are Naughty by Nature? I don't know. Is that embarrassing? I don't know. Right, there's that. Next, we've got the most gorgeous little adult colouring book. I like animals more than people colouring book. This is fab, and this would cost £12 as well. Yeah, it's just simple animal drawings to draw, to colour in. You can personalise your masterpiece, like Claire made a masterpiece. Something, an effort on the, and you can put the date in there. I wouldn't personally pay £12 for this, and in all honesty I don't know if I'll ever use it, but I do think it's quite cool. I'm more likely to pass it on to someone. So there's that. Next we've got a box, and this box costs £6. Oh, I've seen this. This is lovely. This is lovely. I would have definitely bought this for £6 if I'd seen it. Look, it's a little succulent. A fake one. In a gorgeous pot. I really do like that. And that is going in my bedroom. I'll put it in my windowsill behind you. Yeah, I do really like that. It's chuffed with that. This is really heavy. This is a relatable quote candle, and this has a retail price of £10. Hard work candle. Smells like I'm not doing it. Okay. I do like the design of that. I'll put that down in my living room. I've got quite a few orange pieces down there. Little ornaments and things. But what's this like? Coconut and lime. Not getting it yet. Obviously, it needs to burn. A little bit like smelly feet. Which is not what you want. You don't want a candle smelling like really stinky feet. I'm sure it'll be lovely. Hope it'll be lovely. If I don't burn it, at least I'll use it as a decoration downstairs. Got another, what have we got here? We've got a mug. This is a daily mug, and this will cost £5. I like that one. That is really cool. Nice and bright and funky. Yeah, I really like that. Next we've got a little book. This is an A6 activity journal, and this will cost £6. Self-care, the beauty edit. Self-love is in, self-doubt is out. Your beauty, makeup and self-care guide, volume 1. It's a little journal where you fill in skincare routine, morning, evening, skincare reviews, which is handy if you're a reviewer. Put your name, the brand, what it's like. Yeah, that's quite handy. What else we got there? Lots and lots of makeup reviews and skincare reviews. Lots and lots and lots. Right, self-care log, morning, day, night. Today I feel grateful for. Yeah, it's just like a nice little notebook, all related to your well-being and beauty. So there's that. I got a ginormous pencil, and it actually works as a pencil. See the nib there. And what's it saying it? You know what they say about big pencils? Big lines. And there's a rubber there as well. So I'm going to give that to my son. I'm going to save it. And this will cost you £6. So I think that you'll find that funny. Next I've got some Care Bear socks. I like the purple tie-dye. I'm not sure about the actual Care Bear logo, but these will cost £6. These are too small for me anyway. They fit my daughter. These are small to medium, and they'll fit a size 4 to 6.5 UK size, that is. So yeah, I'll pass those on to my daughter. She is obsessed with socks, although I'm not sure what she'd think of the Care Bear logo, but I do know she likes tie-dye. But there's this. But then there's another pair of socks here, and these look bigger. These are medium to large. UK 7.5 to 12.5, which is perfect. So these might be men's, but I don't care. Oh, they're nice and thick, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like these. These would cost £6. Yeah, these are nice boots socks. These are socks for boots. Nice and long. I do like those. Next, I got some markers. These are dual end markers, pack of 6, brush and felt tip ends, and they're £6 there. They're £6. It will cost you £6. Do you know what? As it's coming up to Christmas, I might do a few more of these. I know it's potluck what you get, and it is a bit random. I mean, the jigsaw puzzle, I'm not sure who would want that. Everything else, I can pass it on to people or keep for myself. So I'm thinking it'd be brilliant as little extra gifts for my kids for Christmas. Maybe. And then lastly, we have got Plush Stickers. I loved stickers when I was a kid. Absolutely loved them. I used to beg my parents to buy what they call disgusting cereal. Oh, they are horrible. Puff things. Is it Sugar Puffs? Sugar Coats? Sugar Puffs. I'm sure they're Sugar Puffs. And you had like this big monster thing. Well, anyway, if they're still around, I don't know. They always used to do amazing sticker packs. No other cereals that had freebies had these stickers, only these disgusting Sugar Puffs. I used to beg my mum to buy them for me, and she goes, but you won't eat them. And I will, I do like them, I just keep forgetting they're there. Disgusting. I hate them. But what did I do with them? I had loads of them, not just from Sugar Puffs, but from other places. I don't know, maybe I just stuck them on books. I can't remember. But what would be the point of them now in my adult life? What would I use them for? Where would I put them? They're £2 each anyway. Plush sticker. So I've got pets and plants and Nature Needs You. They are very pretty. So those are all the mystery items inside my 2 mystery boxes that were all combined together, which is annoying because I would have liked them separately just so that I can see what was in each box, but I suppose it cuts down on packaging. But they could have even separated it maybe in the box to show. Anyway, doesn't matter. I am glad I went for it. £40 is a lot of money for a mystery box, but I am happy with what I got overall. Enough then that I would do it again. If you want to see more mystery unboxings from Typo, please let me know, comment down below. And also if you have bought any mystery boxes, I'd love to hear what you think of them as well and what you received. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.